Have you ever bought fresh veggies today only to find them wilted by tomorrow? Or seen your bananas turn black overnight? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 super simple food storage hacks that anyone can do at home, keeping your food fresh longer, tastier, and waste-free. Let's dive in together. 10 simple and effective food storage tips you can apply at home. Keep leafy vegetables fresh with paper towels. Prevents wilting. Items needed: airtight plastic or glass container or zip bag, paper towels, non-printed. How to do it. Gently wash the greens, shake or pat dry. The drier the better. Line the bottom of the container with a paper towel, spread the greens evenly, then cover with another paper towel. Seal tightly and store in the refrigerator, about 1 to 4 degrees C. Why it works. Paper towels absorb excess moisture, preventing bacteria and mold growth. Storage time, 5 to 10 days depending on the type. Tip: replace paper towels if damp. For delicate greens, lettuce, sprouts. Use within 3-5 days for best quality. Don't wash fruits before storing, prevents mold. Items needed: paper bags or ventilated zip bags, soft cloth for wiping. How to do it. When you get home, just remove dirt and damaged fruits. Do not wash them all. Store thick-skinned fruits, oranges, pomelos, at room temperature, soft fruits, strawberries, grapes, in the fridge on paper towel-lined containers. Why moisture increases mold growth on fruit surfaces. Storage time: strawberries 2 to 3 days, fridge; apples 2 to 4 weeks, fridge. Tip: wash only before eating. Keep high ethylene fruits, bananas, avocados separate. Keep carrots and celery crisp in water. Items needed: glass jar or airtight container, clean water. How to do it. Cut off tops and roots, wash and peel if desired. Place vegetables in a jar, fill with cold water, seal and refrigerate. Change water every 2-3 days. Why? Water maintains moisture inside the cells, preventing limp texture. Storage time: 1-2 weeks of crispness. Tip: cut celery into sticks before soaking for quick, healthy snacks. Wrap banana stems to slow ripening, ethylene control. Items needed: plastic wrap or aluminum foil, paper bag. How to do it. Wrap the stem area tightly with plastic wrap. Keep bananas at room temperature, away from heat. Why? Reduces ethylene gas release, slowing the ripening process. Storage time: slows ripening by a few days. Tip: to ripen faster, place near apples. To slow ripening, keep them separated. Store onions and potatoes separately. Prevents sprouting and rot. Items needed: open basket, mesh bag, dark ventilated box for potatoes. How to do it. Keep onions in a mesh bag or basket in a dry ventilated area. Store potatoes in a cool, dark place, never in the fridge. Do not store them together. Why? Onions release gases that encourage potatoes to sprout. Storage time: onions last several weeks to months, potatoes several weeks depending on conditions. Tip: remove soft or sprouting ones. Keep potatoes in a dark container to extend shelf life. Bread: use cloth bags and freeze when needed. Items needed: cloth or paper bag, zip bag for freezing, toaster or oven. How to do it. For 1 to 2 days use, store bread in a cloth or paper bag in a cool, dry spot. For long-term, slice, place in zip bag, press out air, and freeze. To eat, reheat in a toaster oven for 3 to 5 minutes. Why? Refrigeration dries out bread due to starch crystallization. Freezing keeps texture. Storage time: 1 to 3 days at room temp, 1 to 3 months frozen. Tip: put a small slice of bread inside the bag to absorb excess moisture if it's too dry. Portion and vacuum seal or airtight wrap meat and fish. Items needed: zip bags, plastic wrap, vacuum sealer, optional, date labels. How to do it. Divide into meal-sized portions. Seal each portion tightly, removing as much air as possible. Label with date. Store in the fridge or freezer as needed. Why? Reduces exposure to air, slows oxidation, prevents odor and dehydration. Storage time: fridge 1-2 days, freezer 3 to 6 months, depending on type and packaging. Tip: thaw in the fridge overnight for safe defrosting. Keep garlic and onions dry and ventilated. Items needed: mesh bag, basket, or ventilated container. How to do it? Store garlic and onions in a dry, airy place, away from sunlight and moisture. Avoid sealing them in plastic bags or keeping them in the fridge. Why moisture and poor airflow cause mold and sprouting. Storage time: several weeks to months. Garlic may last longer. Tip: sprouted garlic is still safe to eat. Just remove the green sprout if slightly bitter. Keep lemons and citrus fresh with water or oil coating. Items needed: sealed container, clean water, or cooking oil, optional. How to do it? Option 1, place lemons in a container, fill with water, seal, and refrigerate. Change water weekly. Option 2, lightly coat the peel with a thin layer of oil and store in a cool spot. Why? Water keeps moisture inside, oil reduces evaporation and oxidation. Storage time: 2 to 3 weeks in water, a few weeks at room temperature with oil. Tip: slice lemons, cover with water in a sealed jar for quick daily use and to prevent browning. Use glass containers for leftovers, cool before storing. Items needed: glass containers with tight lids, labels for date. How to do it? Let food cool to room temperature within 2 hours before storing. Seal tightly and refrigerate. Use within 2 to 3 days, or freeze for longer storage. Label with date. Why? Glass doesn't absorb odors, is easy to sanitize, and safe for reheating. Storage time: fridge 2 to 3 days, freezer 1 to 3 months, depending on dish. Tip: divide into smaller portions for faster thawing and convenience. Bonus: golden rules for safe food storage. Safe temperatures: fridge 1 to 4 degree, freezer, dry teas, 18 degree. Never store hot food directly in the fridge. It raises internal temperature and spoils other food. Label and date all packed items. Follow first in, first out, FIFO. Check appearance and smell. If food looks slimy, moldy, or smells bad, discard immediately. Clean your fridge and containers regularly. Wipe every 1 to 2 weeks, deep clean and defrost every 1 to 2 months.